In this tutorial, we walk through one part of the seller dashboard to help new sellers understand how the platform works and how to configure their store. This video focuses on the user roles section in the seller settings. The steps shown here demonstrate how roles and permissions are managed inside the platform. And when setting up your own store, you should enter the configuration that matches your business structure. This page is used to create and manage user roles, which control what users can access and what actions they can perform inside the system. The page contains a table showing existing roles along with details such as the role name, number of assigned users, role type, role level, and available actions. New roles can be created using the Add Role option, and removed roles may appear in a trash section depending on the system configuration. Every user must be assigned a role in order to access the platform, and these roles help maintain security, accountability, and organized workflows across the store. When creating a new role, the Add Role dialog allows sellers to define the role name, hierarchy level, description, and detailed permissions for each system module. The name field defines the role title, such as store manager, inventory staff, customer support, or warehouse operator. The role level field determines the hierarchy of the role, where higher levels typically represent higher authority within the system. The description field can be used to explain the purpose or responsibility of the role. Below this section is a list of system modules with permission checkboxes. These permissions determine exactly what actions users assigned to that role can perform. Modules include areas such as appearance, attributes, carrier, cart, configuration, coupons, disputes, inventory, manufacturers, messages, orders, products, refunds, roles, shipping rates, shipping zones, suppliers, taxes, users, and warehouses. Each module may allow permissions such as view, add, edit, delete, reply, fulfill, cancel, approve, or update depending on the function of that section. Once the required permissions are selected, the role can be saved and it will appear in the roles table. After a role is created, it can be assigned to users from the Users page, where each user is linked to a specific role and receives access only to the permissions defined for that role. Creating separate roles for different responsibilities, such as warehouse operations, customer support, accounting, or store management, helps maintain better organization and security across the account. Sensitive permissions, including refund approval, configuration changes, or role management, are usually restricted to higher-level users. The roles configured here affect how users interact with many parts of the platform, including products, orders, inventory, shipping, tax settings, and store administration. Because of this, a well-structured role system helps the store operate more securely and efficiently. That completes the walkthrough for the user roles section of the seller dashboard. This tutorial demonstrated how roles and permissions are configured inside the platform. Once set up, these settings help ensure users have the correct access needed to operate the store effectively. Continue to the next tutorial to complete the remaining setup steps for your store.